Hello, my name is Jason. Under some cases, you have two cars, but you want to control your car by one app. You only have one mobile phone. So how do you operate this? How do you finish this control? In this video, I show you how do I control two cars by one app, one piece app. Okay. This is GPS module. Login ID 180000840. This is app. Sorry, this is ID, GPS ID. GPS module. This GPS module is installed to car. Okay. Now I'm looking this ID. This ID is the same. Okay. And I import passwords. 888888868. This is default passwords. Login successful. This function setting button. It is on the right corner, up corner. Okay, click one time, and you will see this is authorized. As you can see, authorized management. Okay, click one time, and click this icon. On the first column, shared authorized. This one. Okay. Click one time. This is app interface. This is also ID. This ID it is GPS module. ID the same. It is same. This login for this is the other ID authorized device. Okay. This is start time. This is end time. Okay. Another GPS module. This GPS module is installed to the other car. Okay. As you can see, this is another GPS ID 180000545. Okay, as you can see. Okay. Now I import the other GPS ID number on the second column. 180000545. Authorized. Start time, end time, you can change by yourself. I change another time. Okay.
年月日，对，怎么的？日。
Okay, confirm. Us set success. Us user success confirm. This one. Okay. Adjust also authorize this device to this one. Authorization is successful. Okay, as you can see, this number, this ID number on the interface of app. Okay, I finished. Now I must cancellation, log out. Okay. Okay. I change another GPS module ID. 180000545. Okay. 8888888. 6 it is. Log in. Okay, login successful. Later.
Dán đấy. Khi như này cái này tôi kẻ nhé.
Click.
Dán.
As you can see, this is authorized number, GPS ID, one app, two devices in one app. You can control two cars by one app. This device is authorized device. This is also okay. This is grantor. I just give authorization to this one, and you can see this is successful authorization. This is also okay. So I just finished authorization. This is authorized device. I just give authorization to this device, authorized device. Now I will testify this function to you. This one, okay. This is one ID is 180000840, and the other ID, this is the authorized device 180000545. Okay, in this app, this one app ID is same to this device, authorized device. Okay, now I operate this function. Okay, this is a slim button. I will shake mobile phone. I shake unlock, it will be on. I shake it again, it's off. Okay. Unlock, yes, on. Off. Okay, this is authorized device is working now. I change another device. This is also device. I just give also authorization to this one. Okay. Now this one ID, authorized ID. Okay, I click one time. I will change this ID to this one. Okay. The second one. Okay, this one. I choose this one. Click one time. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry, failure. Okay. Okay, successful. And you can see same. Okay, this is also ID. The same ID. Can you see? Can you see that? Okay. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Now let me shake the mobile phone. This button off. Shake it again. On. It is successful operation. Okay. I just show you this one. Now I show this one. Okay. Yes. Off.